Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up autopay for your Costco Anywhere Visa card by Citi. For that, first of all, come here on citi.com. Then you need to provide your username and the password. Then simply click on the option of sign on. So basically you need to sign in into your account first. Then you need to simply just select the option of payments inside the dashboard. Afterwards, when you are inside payments, simply just select the option of manage autopay. Then you need to select the bank account that you want Citi to use for your automatic payments. If you haven't added one yet, you can just simply tap on the option of add a new account and then enter your bank account and the routing number. Then you need to choose how much you want to autopay each billing cycle. So you can select the last statement balance, the minimum payment due, or another amount available in the autopay settings. Then you need to simply just choose your preferred payment date, renew your selections, and then continue. Also read the autopay terms, agree to the terms and conditions, and then select the option of enroll in order to basically activate the automatic payments. So once you have enrolled, you can return to the manage payment section anytime in order to check or even change your payment amount, the bank account details, and the payment schedules. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.